Okay, this is the Boquette River in Westport, or actually Wadhams, New York, and this is a flood. So that's the upstream. There's a dam there, obviously not holding river back. And then if we swing around, this is looking downstream of the river. That's really flooding. And then over to the left, the geyser over there is actually an old generating plant or a mill that has a pipe for the water power. And obviously that pipe has been broken and the water is going straight up in the air. So this is it on August 29th, 2011, the day after Irene visited.